I am in the favor of job. We are discussing here job versus business, which is better. So according to me, job is better because job is a safe and secure, and you know when you will get paid, and there are least risk in job.
Yes, you are right saying, and myself Vishal Chani, and my favor is business. Business is the best according to me because if we are do business, then after we don't have limit. We are do anything in our society and in our all over world.
Okay, I don't think that you have free time in your society and all over world, because when you do business, you get involved with it. You have responsibilities. You don't have a fixed time interval like you have to do your job from 9 to 5, and after that you will be free. You can spend your time with your family. But in job, you know that you have to go to job at 9 and you will be get freed at 5 or 6. After that you can spend your time with your family. You don't have to worry about the things that whatever things are happening in job, and what were happening between business, and what loss you are making.
Yes, you are right saying, but in business we have no limit. In if we are get job, that time we have lot we have limitation. We are under a work under in a man, and they told us they are we are frustrated for a busy schedule. We are get up 5 o'clock and do our work and get job, and after come back and do our thing. We don't celebrate in our life, and that time we are do business. We are face new problems and we are solve them, and we are get other achievement. We are celebrate with our team and other things.
So don't you think business has higher risk than job?
Yes, definitely. In this business, higher risk. But if we are if we are give time in this, then that we have experience, and based upon the experience, we are easily solve them.
So it is time consuming, and you have to worry about the losses and risk you are making. You have to worry about your employment, like you have to worry about your employee, that what are the politics discussing between them, and if they are corrupt, like you have to worry them for 24 an hour. But in job you have a comfortable life. You do job, then you know that after retirement you will get LICs, and you will get health insurance, and you will get income also. And a government job, for example, is treated with higher respect than the business. What do you think?
Yes, definitely. We have in this we are retired that then after we are easily free. But in this in business we have lots of money. We are if we you are a minded, if you are a knowledgeable businessman, then after you have a backup plan, and based upon your backup plan you are in 13-year old you are easily retired. You are have lots of SIPs, and you have lots of fund in your bank account, and you have luxuries. And if you are a job, then after you have limited sources, but in business you have luxuries and other things, lots of freedom. And that time we are don't work, but your business definitely work. Then in job it's no. If we are work, that time our work, and that time we are sick, that time your money and your job also finish.
Okay, I think in the job you have not that responsibility and accountability. Like you don't have to worry. You are not responsible for the people. Like people are not getting paid and they have their personal issues. You don't have to worry about them. You just do your work. You do your work and give your 100%, and you get promoted, and you can earn more, and you can spend your holidays with your families. But in business, you have to worry that thing 24 hour. You get calls when you are on the trips. You get calls about the business, that these losses are making, the shares are going up, the shares are going down. The businessmen people get demotivated and sometimes fall into depression, and it leads to fall down of its business.
Yes, definitely you are right saying, but according to me, a minded businessman, it's enjoy for this moment. But if we are businessman, that time every businessman mindset is this. If we are that time we are face a problem, they are not frustrated. They are easily face, and they are enjoyed that time. If you are see anywhere that this businessman gets suicide, and he is not face this problem. But if they are suicide that time, they don't have businessmen, they are a student, because students are also take suicide, because they are don't mentally prepare for them. But the businessman, if we are enter in this business field, that time we are easily prepared for this. If we are face this type problem, so we are how to face this.
Yes, I agree with you that business-minded people have a strongest mindset.
Yeah.
Otherwise, no person will dare to do a business. But I want to ask you that for doing a business, you have to have money. How will you have money when you don't do a business? Initially, you have no money. Like you don't have even 10 rupees. How will you start your business without money?
Without money, we are get job.
So you are agreeing
Yes,
with me,
yes,
like
I
है ना?
agree with
The
you.
job is important.
Yeah.
Like you have to do job, then you can earn, and then you can do business.
But complete
too.
me
Yes,
my
yes,
problem.
sorry.
First of all, we are get a job.
Yes.
And then after get a job, we are do a part-time job.
Yes.
And after part-time job, we are do a business.
Yes.
And the government also support us because they are give lots of loan and finance for doing a business. They have limit account and other things.
Okay, so this is right, but
Yeah.
how is a business is better than job? Tell me this.
Okay, time is over. Last one, you give the conclusion.
So, according to me, job and business both are important. And job is most important because it involves comfort. You can spend your leisure time with your family. After earning a decent amount, doing a job, you can start your business, and you can gain knowledge. Like in business, you have to acquire a lot of knowledge about skills, various skills. And like if you want to start a company, you have to have a knowledge about what are the things which are happening in society. So after doing job and with this money, reading and acquiring a lot of knowledge, you can start your business and then you can expand to it. Thank you.